You look very funny in that giant red hat, Noah. You are just playing a silly baby game. A real firefighter does not just play, Lucas. We check the walls for hidden dangers to keep you safe.
Huh? Good morning, my little helper. Are the bedroom walls safe from fires today?
Mom, why do we have this small, round, white plastic box attached to the kitchen ceiling?
That is an excellent science question, Noah. That box is called a smoke detector.
Wow! It is like a tiny electronic police dog that sniffs for danger in the air. That is very smart, Mom. But the white box never makes any noise, Noah. It just sits there like a lazy plastic toy.
It stays silent because we are always careful. Now, I must step out to the front yard garden to pick some fresh red tomatoes for our lunch soup.
Is it safe to leave that white cotton cloth so close to the blue fire flames?
You are right, Noah. Fabric can catch fire very easily. Let us move it back a little bit.
Let us go back to the living room to finish our racing video game, Noah. The kitchen stove is making a loud sizzling sound, Lucas. The oil is getting too hot. Oh no! Look through the hallway! The white towel is catching fire on the hot stove burner. The kitchen is burning! Fire! Fire! What do we do, Noah? Whoa. The smoke is hurting my eyes. Let us run to the garden to find Mom. No, Lucas. If we open the back door fast, the outside wind will make the flames grow giant. Why does the wind make the fire monster grow bigger? Fire needs heat, fuel, and oxygen. If the wind brings oxygen into the room, the fire can breathe and eat faster. Throw the cold water from the pitcher onto the burning pan of oil, Noah. Water kills fire. Stop, Lucas. The water will instantly turn into explosive steam and throw burning oil all over the walls. Wow. Water makes an oil fire explode? You know so many real science secrets, Noah. Emergency patrol action now.
What is that urgent emergency whistle signal coming from my kitchen windows? Oh my God! Grey smoke is pouring out of the glass panes. My children are inside.
I am going to throw this white powder directly over the burning white towel. Look at the white powder! The yellow flames are shrinking down instantly! The fire monster is dead because the baking soda cut off its oxygen supply, Lucas.
The yellow flames are completely gone. There is only white powder on my stove.
Mom, Noah saved the whole house. He knew that water makes oil fires explode like a real bomb.
Oh, Noah. You used your smart brain to stop a terrible home disaster today, my beautiful hero.
Let us clean the white powder off the stove burner so the kitchen looks beautiful again, Mom. The lazy plastic white box is finally beeping to celebrate your victory, Noah.
The air is fresh and clean again, thanks to my two brave protector sons.
I am drawing a large home safety rule poster for our wooden refrigerator wall, Mom.
What are the official rules of the fire captain poster today, Noah?
Rule number 1. Never throw cold water onto hot stove oil. Use the white baking soda power box instead. I am going to help you stick the gold stars onto the poster corners today, Captain Noah.
Oh. Fire Sea Chief John from the big city station. Welcome to our humble home, sir.
I heard we have a junior firefighter in this house who knows the secret chemistry of oxygen.
Junior Firefighter Noah, reporting for home safety duty. Chief Joanne.
This Silver Star Medal is for your incredible courage and your smart safety answers yesterday, Noah.
This silver medal looks like a real piece of shooting star from the night sky, Chief. My little brother is the smartest safety captain in the whole city world now, sir.
This beautiful photo will hold the highest place on our living room wall under the light tonight.
Keep your smoke detector sensors clean, Captain Noah, and keep your red hat ready for future patrols.
The fire truck siren sounds very beautiful when it is just saying thank you to a hero. Vroom! The rescue engine is rushing fast to check if the toy dinosaur's kitchen is safe from flames.
They turned a scary kitchen emergency into a beautiful, educational, and responsible life lesson game.
The toy Stegosaurus is asking a question. Where do we keep the baking soda box, Captain? Right on the bottom shelf, where small hands can reach it fast during an emergency. Dinosaur. My red plastic hat is resting on desk, and the kitchen stove is perfectly cool, Mom.
Eat this good, warm soup to keep your muscles strong and your smart brain sharp all night long.
Thank you for helping me clean the white powder off the metal burner yesterday, Lucas. The silver medal is reflecting the yellow nightlights from the street road glass beautifully.
Sleep well, my brave little safety captain. Your kitchen and your home are perfectly safe tonight.
A small safety question from a child can change a dangerous mistake into a beautiful rescue story.
That is what big brothers are for, Noah, to help the captain clean up after a grand victory. The country trees look very green, and the air smells like fresh grass today, Mum. Look over there, Noah. There is a giant black smoke cloud near the farm field.
Oh my goodness! The old farmer's tractor machine is catching fire near the haystacks.
Stop! Stop the water buckets! That tractor engine runs on oily diesel petrol. Listen to my little brother. He is an official safety captain from the city station.
Why shouldn't we throw this cold well water onto the burning tractor engine, little boy?
Oily fuel is lighter than water. The burning petrol will just float on top of the water.
The boy is right. The water would carry the flames directly into my dry winter hay storage.
Use the heavy metal shovels to throw the dry sand dirt directly onto the engine holes. Look at the dark sand. The yellow flames are being smothered just like the kitchen towel.
Hooray! The tractor is saved, and my dry haystacks did not catch a single spark today. 3 cheers for the small city fireman who knows the secrets of oxygen gas.
Hooray for Officer Noah, the smallest protector with the biggest safety answers.
My little son is saving whole farms with his smart science knowledge now, Lucas.
This photo is going directly onto our main kitchen poster wall tonight, Captain. The village was an exciting adventure, but my red plastic hat feels heavy now, Mom.
Sit on the soft sofa, Noah. And you did a giant amount of helper work today.
Let us add a new safety rule to the list before we go to sleep, little brother. Rule number 2. Use dry sand dirt to smother oily farm engine fires. Keep water away from petrol.
Your safety poster is becoming the most valuable book in our whole city house, boys.
This hot vegetable soup tastes like real victory after a long day on the country road. My hands are dirty, but the farmer's heart was very happy today, Mom.
Dirty hands mean you are doing real work to protect this big, beautiful world, my son.
The red hat will sleep on top of my bookshelf desk tonight. Good night to the smallest fireman with the grandest science answers inside his brain.
True heroes are measured by their knowledge and their love, not by their age or size.
Look at the big red fire trucks driving down the road lane, Noah! The sirens are flashing!
This is the big City Helper Parade Day. Look at the front truck.
Attention, city visitors! Today we have our official safety captain joining the ride. Wow.
I am sitting inside the real grand spaceship engine fire truck today. That is my little brother. He is the real hero who saved our family kitchen room.
Hooray for Captain Noah, the smallest firefighter with the biggest safety heart.
The siren is saying thank you to all the polite and safe families in the world today.
Our home and our city are full of light because we share our science knowledge with love.
Helping people stay safe is the most beautiful and fun job in the whole wide world. Even the smallest child can save a giant family kitchen with the power of science and love.